Hello everyone, welcome back to IndianCoding.com. Today we are going to study about DS Python. Okay, so let's see what is Python here. So as we all know, Python is a programming language widely used by the data scientist. Okay, we have already studied about the Python. These are the basic programming language that we have studied. So Python has inbuilt mathematical libraries and function make it easier to calculate mathematical problems and to perform data analysis. So it will help you to perform the mathematical analysis and for calculation of mathematics. So Python libraries. Another term we are having is Python libraries. There are few kinds of libraries that are available. The first one we are having is pandas, numpys, and then plotlib, and then spipy. Okay, so these are the different kind of mathematical functions and the analytical tool that are available in the Python. You can read these kind of tools and then you will be able to understand what this library, every single library has their own work to work. Okay, so here pandas, that is used for structured data operation like import CVS file and then create data frames and data preparation. The another one is used for the mathematical library and has a number n dimensional array object. Then some libraries work for used for visualization of data, and the some are used for linear algebra modules. So there are different kind of libraries used for the different work. Okay, so Python has libraries with a large collection of mathematical functions and analytical tool. Okay, so these are the terms that are used for the libraries inside the Python. In the further classes, we will all discuss about what is the use of this particular library. So that's all for today's class. Tomorrow we'll study about more features related to data science. Thank you so much.